Hello viewers, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change Facebook location. First of all, open your Chrome browser and log in your Facebook account. Look at this, my Facebook account dashboard. Now I'm showing you easy method step by step, so follow my all process. First of all, open your profile icon. Scroll down, go to about, and tap on three line, edit current city. Now change, now tap on save. Okay, now successfully change your location. If in this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and thank you for watching.